I got a new plant from eBay. The seller described this as Sansevieria suffruticosa Frosty Spears, but it really looked different from the one that I have in my house. So I was really curious, and it was less than $20, so I bought it. And it looks like it is a Frosty Spears, but it's very small. It's a very small version. Maybe it's a dwarf version. I need to do more research on that, but it's in really good condition, and it has 3 stolons, 1, 2, and 3. So it means it's matured enough to give off offsets. It already has 3 offsets. Wow, it's well rooted, and I brought a measurement tape here. To show how big it is. It's only 5 to 6 inch long and about 2 inch high. So yeah, it looks like a dwarf version of Frosty Spears. I like dwarf plants because maintenance is more easy and it doesn't grow big. I don't need a bigger pot. So yeah, I hope this is a dwarf version. Yeah, I never knew there's a dwarf version of Frosty Spears. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely do more research. Yeah, as I mentioned before, it already has 3 offsets from the mother plant, so it should mean that it's a matured plant. Just wanted to show the roots before I pot this. The root here is actually longer than the plant itself. The root is like 3 inch, and yeah, it's longer than the plant. Overall, yeah, the root is more longer than the plant. Okay, I'm gonna pot this today and see how it grows. Okay, I finished potting my new plant that I bought on eBay. I just love eBay. I usually buy plants on eBay or Etsy. Yeah, it's very nice. I live in Virginia, so it's hard to find rare Sansevieria plants in the local nurseries or the big box stores. They don't really have many snake plants or succulents. Yeah, you have to either go to California or Florida to see those kind of plants in local stores. So I'm very lucky. I feel grateful that I can buy plants online. Yeah, anyway, I did search Google, but I couldn't find any information regarding Frosty Spears dwarf plant. Yeah, there was no image or page that I could look through. But yeah, as I look into the plant, it really has the features of the Frosty Spears. As you can see, the color of the leaf is kind of white and silvery look compared to other Sansevierias, and yeah, it's just the size is so small. Yeah, never seen this small Frosty Spear plant. Yeah, but it has the characteristics of Frosty Spears except one. The mature plant here in the middle, the mother plant, doesn't really look like a fan shape compared to other Frosty Spears plant that I have seen. And also, the seller posted a image on the eBay page, and yeah, that image looked really different from the Frosty Spears plant that I have known. So yeah, but other than that, it has the other characteristics that it has in Frosty Spears. It also sends out offsets by stolons, aerial stolons above ground, and yeah, part of it is sheath and part of it's not. So I mean, part of it has kind of a brown or yellow part and green part here on the stolon. You know that Balii is completely sheath, so it doesn't have the green color on the stolons, but Frosty Spears does have a green part on the stolon. So this pot is like a 4-inch pot, so it's really small plant. Very pretty. I could have separated the offsets, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this for a few months, and maybe next year or 2 years later when they shoot out a new offset, I'll separate that. But it looks really nice as it is right now, so I'm gonna keep it like this for several years, 1 or 2 years I think, and I'll see how it goes from there. It'll probably shoot out new offsets from either this or that, this plant. So yeah, if that happens, I'm gonna separate it or put a new pot next to this one. We don't really call the Frosty Spears as a walking Sansevieria, but if it's a dwarf plant like this, I think we can really say it's kind of a walking Sansevieria. Yeah, I just wanted to add some top view. The color is really pretty. The part I like most of this Frosty Spears plant is the color actually. It's the white and silvery look that I like about this plant. You can't really see that in other Sansevieria plants. Some does have silvery color, but Frosty Spears color is really distinctive from others. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. Okay, thanks for watching another episode. Have a good night. Bye bye.